Hello everyone, thanks to be again here with Dominican Chefgro. Today I will show you how to make so nice blueberry cake and easy. And the ingredients we're gonna use to prepare this blueberry cake are brown sugar. I have this separate and then I will show you why. Oil, butter, semi-coarse flour, and semi-coarse flours too. So I have those ingredients separate because I need it for something different. Eggs, blueberries, vanilla sugar, baking powder, curd, and milk. Well, we're gonna start do this blueberry cake. We're gonna add four eggs we have in a bowl. And then you just have to start mix them, but you have to like really nice mixed till it gets something like this. Look. And look, after you get this consistency, like this kind of mix, you add the vanilla sugar and the brown sugar and then mix till get this consistency. Look, this consistency you can get it after 15 minutes, depending how fast you're moving the mixer. And then you have to add the curd and mix again. And after we can start to add the semi-coarse flour, but you have to do it like part by part, like small portion by small portion. And you can add at the same time like a little bit semi-coarse flour and a little bit milk, a little bit semi-coarse flour till finish to do everything. And after you finish to add the milk and the semi-coarse flour, then you add the baking powder and the oil and finish to mix everything because these are the last ingredients on this blueberry cake. And after you finish mix everything, so take it and keep it somewhere. This part I will use a little bit oil and then I will add a little bit semi-coarse flour, the one I was using like to make the cake, because I don't want my cake to stick on the bowl. And make sure the bowl is like completely covered by the oil and the semi-coarse flour, and then you can add the mix. Then you just have to add the blueberries. But don't worry, this cake is for you, or you and your wife, or you and your family. Add a lot of blueberries because it is a blueberry cake. You know, don't be worried to add a lot. For example, look how much blueberries I'm adding to my cake. Don't worry, this is for you, you will enjoy it. And then you put it somewhere and keep it like that. And now we're gonna make another mix to put it on the top of these blueberries. Here I have the butter, the semi-coarse flour, and the sugar like I showed you at the beginning. Like I had a small portion separate. We're gonna mix them. You can use your hand to mix them to get a weird consistency, like almost like ground, but a ground like waved ground, you know. This is to have a like nice ending on the top and to have like a crunchy one. Look at the face of the ball I'm mixing. And we'll get something like that. With this mix, you put it on the top, like on the top of the blueberries. And don't worry, the same with the blueberries, but not so much like as the blueberries, you know, because then it's gonna be so sweet, the cake. After you finish to add all mix I'm adding here on the top of the cake right now. You have to add the cake on oven between 45 minutes and 1 hour in 180 Celsius. And then our cake is done. Look, it looks so delicious. I will show you now inside. When you start to cut your cake, it doesn't matter how many pieces you want to take from this. You can make 12 pieces, you can get 6 pieces, you can get 9 pieces of the cake. Like, I will get just 6 because I like big portions. And now I will show you why I add the semi-coarse flours and the oil, because look, the cake is not getting a stick on the bowl. And now it's time to try our cake. I will show you how is it look. Just look. Seems like it's not dry, it's not wet. Look, it's like soft and tastes so nice. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you like it, please thumbs up. If you have some questions, comment. And if you're not subscribed, welcome to Dominican Chefgro, and see you on the next video.